Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video for next week. So in this video, we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames and we are going to check important price action levels and structures that currently gold is following so that we can utilize those levels and structures in next week for finding buy and sell opportunities. As usually, before going into the price action, we are going to check the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report, and in COT report we are looking at the positions of the managed money. So as you can see, if we look at the overall sentiment for this particular period, you can see that the managed money, they are continuously decreasing their long positions. These blue bars are the net long positions of managed money, and you can see this is continuously decreasing. On this particular week, this brown column, this is the net short positions. So at this particular week, they also added the positions into the short side. But for the current week, you can see they are repeating the same behavior like previous few weeks. You can see that this time also they decreased their long positions by a good amount. You can see right over here, it is going down. So the net long positions is going down, and as you can see on this particular week, they added into the short side. Yes, for this particular week, this current week, they decreased their short positions, but overall, as you can see, the net long positions is going down, which is not a good sign for bulls. So as per the latest COT report, if we conclude the sentiment, as you can see, the long positions, they are going down. Okay, so which is not a healthy sign for a bullish rally that can start. So overall, the sentiment from the COT for this particular COT report, it is negative, and we can expect that price can move down accordingly, because overall the current price is in correction phase. So now let's check the another chart, which is gold future open interest chart. So if we look at the open interest of the gold future, this right over here, you can see, if we look at the volume and open interest chart for this particular period from here to here, you can see this blue line, this right over here, it is currently moving down to flat. You can see it is moving down. So the open interest is also going down, and in previous week we have seen that the gold price is also going down. So whenever open interest and price both move down, this is also give us a hint that the price can move further down. Also, if we look at the volume is also almost flat. So there is no big you can say movement in volume, but as these indicators, that is OI and price, they are currently signaling that the price can make a down move for next week also. So now let's move on to the price action, and we are going to start with a bigger picture, that is on daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we are going to discuss this chart that I already said many times in my TradingView profile and in Telegram channel also. So if we look at the overall picture, you can see that the price is currently moving down and is currently in correction phase, because in previous days you can see the price was moving along with this support trend line, this red trend line, but after breakdown from here we have seen some consolidation over to this area, but now price break down from this support and now tested this psychological support that we have seen in previous week. Price tested this support, and I already said this zone that price can bounce from this support, and after hitting or testing this support, we have seen a bounce on the price, but as you can see, the price previously break down from this support area, which is now acting as resistance, and we have seen that price respected or tested this area again and move down. So on daily time frame, the price is moving down and it is showing that we can expect further downside. But as you can see, this area is a good psychological support, and we have seen this as a good resistance. So currently it is stuck inside a consolidation zone on daily time frame, and if price break down from the previous week low, that is around 3202 roughly, or 3200, if price break down on daily time from this support area, then next support area on daily time frame is 3135 to 315 zone, this right over here. So yes, overall the daily time frame is signaling that we can expect more decline. And into the resistance side on daily time frame, of course we have to watch this high. This last week attempt to break this previous resistance, because this was the support and it is now acting as resistance. So this is the immediate resistance. And what other level into the resistance side that we have to watch, let me show you on this chart over here. So as you can see on daily time frame, if we draw the Fibonacci levels for this high to this low, this high to this low, so the first resistance that we have to watch is of course the level, this level around the previous support, which is at 3272. Then next resistance on daily time frame for this cycle, for this high to this low, is 3316. And of course the major resistance that we can consider is this golden Fibonacci zone, 3351 and 3887. So yes, if price started to move like this, this is the only and major resistance that we have to watch. And if price fail to claim this zone, then we can expect a down move like this. So we have to trade accordingly. Now into the lower side, what are the support level on daily time frame that we have to watch? Let me remove the resistance levels and let's talk about the support level now. So if we draw the Fibonacci levels for this low, this around here, and to this high, you can see that right now price is testing this 50% retracement, that is 3229 on daily time frame, for this low to this high. So yes, price is taking support as you can see and did not break down this support. So if price break down this support, then the next support, major support, is 3165 on Fibonacci levels that we have to watch. So these are the support on daily time frame that we have to watch. Now if we talk the bigger picture, if we talk in terms of the bigger picture, that is on weekly time frame, let me show you the price action on weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, you can see price previously moving with a very good pace on weekly time frame. This is the weekly chart, and now from last 2 weeks, this was the rejection from the previous week, and this is the current week that closed. So yes, on the previous week we have seen a very good rejection on weekly time frame, and now for the current closing week we have seen a good follow-up bearish candle, which is now confirming that the weekly time frame is now in correction phase. So yes, we are in correction phase on both weekly and daily time frame, as you can see on price action. So on weekly time frame, what are the levels that we have to watch? So on dynamic support, we have to watch this trend line, because previously you can see this trend line was acting as support. So yes, if price move down like this into the lower side, this trend line is the support that we have to watch. Also, before this level, we have the fair value gap of weekly time frame at this area. It is near to roughly 3175 to 3180 or 90 that we have to watch. And then the next major support is around 3000. So if you following me in my Telegram channel and my trading view profile also, my ultimate target for this correction is to test this support level on weekly basis, and on testing at this level, then only we can look for a good swing buy opportunity for next bullish rally. So yes, weekly time frame is also signaling that we can expect correction, because the price action is clearly showing that we have closed with a very good bearish candle. Now sorry, now if we move on to lower time frame, that is on 4-hour time frame, you can see this is the 4-hour time frame, and on 4-hour time frame you can see the price is currently breakdown from this bearish pennant structure, as you can see right over here, and after consolidating inside this pennant, price breakdown and again try to test or almost tested this low, and now moving down. So as per the 4-hour time frame or intraday time frame, it is also showing weakness, and the target will be around this area 3050. Yes, lower time frame is also showing that we can expect the down move. Also, if we check more intraday levels, that is 15 minute also, you can see previously price was trading inside this consolidation range and breakdown, retest, and then again moving down, and yes, more decline is possible on a lower time frame. So yes, overall, if we talk in terms of swing trade, the price is currently in consolidation and we have to look for the sell opportunities only. So overall sentiment is still in correction phase, and I already shared this on my trading view profile and on Telegram channel also. So we are going to discuss more about the live sentiment and live levels in trading, live trading in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.